AI is changing how we code. If you're still writing everything manually, you are wasting hours. The smartest developers are using AI to code 10x faster than you. But how do you do it in the right way? So today I will show you the best AI tools and how to use them properly to become a super efficient developer. Welcome to the channel. If you are new here, I am Anasi Akash. And let's get started. AI isn't just a fancy tool anymore. It's becoming a necessity. Top companies are hiring developers who know how to work with AI, not against it. If you still believe AI is just for fun, let me show you top 5 amazing AI tools and how they actually making developers smarter and faster. So number 1 in our list is GitHub Copilot. This is like a AI pair programmer sitting beside you. It doesn't just autocomplete code, it understands the logic and suggests entire functions based on what you are building. It's best for repetitive code, auto-completing complex functions, and reducing the time spent on searching Stack Overflow. Number 2 is Codeium, and actually it's a free alternative for Copilot. So if you don't want to pay for Copilot, Codeium does the same thing for free. It helps with code completion and provides smart suggestions just like Copilot. It's a very good option for beginners who want an AI assistant without paying for GitHub. The next AI tool we are talking is about Tabnine. This tool doesn't just suggest code. It adapts to your coding style and gives personalized AI recommendations. If Copilot feels too generic for you, Tabnine is a great alternative. And it's a very good option for developers who want privacy-focused AI suggestions with offline capabilities. Number 4 is ChatGPT, and of course, you all know about it. I don't want to specially mention about it. This is your best friend for debugging, explaining code, and even helping with documentation. If you are stuck on a bug, just ask AI for possible fixes. Now fastly moving on to the next tool, it's Cursor AI. This one is like Copilot but built into VS Code with powerful AI debugging. It can fix errors automatically and improve your code quality without effort. It's a best option for developers who want a built-in AI companion inside their IDE. Now okay, all these AI tools can help you code better. But the main question which rises here is how to use them efficiently and how to use them properly to become a top 1% developer. It's very simple. Don't just copy paste AI code blindly. AI sometimes make mistakes. So always review the code before using and understand the logic which AI solved. Use it for boilerplate and repetitive tasks. If you are writing the same set of code for every project, let AI do this. Ask AI for logic explanations which they solved. If you are stuck on a concept, let AI explain it in simple terms. Pair AI with Google search. AI gives code, but Google gives real-world developer insights. Smart developers know when to use AI and when to think on their own. That's what makes them irreplaceable. Do you want to become an irreplaceable developer? I already made a video. I discussed many strategies on how you can become an irreplaceable developer in this AI era. Don't miss that video. The video is in our channel. So in conclusion, I just want to tell who uses AI properly to become 1% will win the race. So this is for this video. If you found this helpful, comment your thoughts on AI and about this video in the comment box, and feel free to share the AI tools you use in the comment box. Subscribe to the channel to don't miss any video on AI, business and technology, and Jai Hind.